Now, how will the payment API will work? What will happen is once we create an order inside the order API, we have the Azure Service Bus consumer. Here, if we scroll down, we create all of the order header and details. Once this is done, we will publish a new message to the Azure Service Bus under some other topic. That order has been created. Here are the credit card details. Process that and update the order status. We will have to create a new consumer inside the Payments API where it will retrieve that message, process the credit card details, call our payment processor, and then it will publish a new message in the Azure Service Bus which will have the order ID and the status. That will be the flow that we want to implement. So let's do that from the next video.